Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to appear offline in Gmail. To start, open Gmail. Here, click on the gear icon, then click on See All Settings. After this, go to the Offline tab. Once you do, check the box Enable Offline Mail. After this, you can define the amount of time to save the emails. Additionally, check the box Keep Offline Data on my computer. To apply the changes, click Save Changes. Now in the search box, enter View, click on View Network Connections. After that, select the network adapter and click on the Disable this network device option. To check, in Gmail you can refresh the page and you will see that it is still active even when offline. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, you can activate the network adapter again by selecting it and clicking on Enable this network device. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.